The fastest way to improve your Mistplay results is to stop treating every game the same, and track which games actually give you rewards for the time you spend playing. By the end, you'll know which Mistplay habits can improve your results without relying on made-up earning promises or wasting hours on games that are not tracking properly. Start with the games listed inside your Mistplay account. Misplay's available games, offers, earning rates, and rewards can vary by account, location, device, and time. That means a strategy that works for one user may not produce the same result for another. Your first priority should be tracking. When you start a new game through Mistplay, check that your gameplay is being recognized. Play for a short period, return to Mistplay, and verify that the relevant activity or units are updating. If the game is not tracking, do not keep playing for hours hoping the units will appear later. Use Misplay's troubleshooting options first. Next, compare games based on time, rather than just the headline reward. Keep a simple note showing the game you played, how long you played it, and how many units you earned. After several sessions, you can see which games give you better results for your actual playtime. This is more useful than assuming the game with the biggest displayed reward is automatically the best choice. Also pay attention to milestones and qualifying objectives shown inside Mistplay. If a game offers rewards for reaching specific levels or completing certain activities, read the requirements before you start. You can then decide whether the objective is realistic for the amount of time you want to spend. Do not uninstall and reinstall games randomly. Misplay's tracking system can depend on how the game was installed and launched. If you are trying to earn from a title, follow the installation and launch instructions shown by Mistplay, rather than repeatedly resetting the game. Another useful habit is checking the shop before you invest significant time. Misplay's available rewards can change, and your options can depend on your region and account. If the rewards currently available are not useful to you, earning more units may not provide much practical value. You should also keep your account consistent. Use the same Mistplay account and avoid creating additional accounts to try to increase rewards. If you have an account or tracking issue, use Mistplay support instead. Finally, measure your results over time. Track your total playtime, units earned, and the reward value you can actually redeem. Then calculate your personal return per hour. That number tells you whether Mistplay is worth continuing far better than a generic claim about how much someone else earned. So the biggest Mistplay tips are simple. Choose games that track properly, compare rewards against your actual playtime, follow the displayed requirements, and check the current reward catalog before committing hours. Your next step is to track your next few Mistplay sessions and keep the games that give you the best results for the time you actually spend. If these tips helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides and troubleshooting fixes.